Hey Queens, welcome to the third part of our Versus series. Up next, we have our Yummy Yoni Egg versus our Yummy Yoni Pearls. Both are 100% natural, but our Yummy Yoni Pearls, they're a blend of herbs. Our Yummy Yoni Egg is actually a yellow jade crystal. Both share similar benefits and can help tighten, increase natural moisture, and libido. Our Yummy Yoni Egg has spiritual benefits like increasing self-love and breaking soul ties. Our Yummy Yoni Pearls are used for endometriosis, PCOS, infertility, and period problems. Both are inserted vaginally, but only our Yummy Yoni Egg is reusable. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.